Okay, let's have a look at the question.
Write a program to print the greatest of three numbers. Yes, how you are going to find out the greatest of three numbers? We already know like how to find out the maximum among two numbers. Now, how you are going to find out the greatest among the three numbers? Yes, can I apply if condition and can I go through that? So the basic simple thing in understanding the input, or I can say like to look into this one is I can check out if number one. I'll take ABC. Yes, we can go with if else condition. I'll take ABC here. Okay. First, we'll check whether A is greater than B. I'll check whether A is greater than B and A is greater than C, and A is greater than C. If A is greater than B and C, then I can say A is greatest. Then I can print percentage D A. I can print percentage D A. This is first if condition. The second one you can similarly give out for the other one also. Else if you can give the similar condition, B is greater than A and B is greater than C. Okay, since you have already checked this condition, that is nothing but A is greater than B. If that is not satisfied, at that time we may encounter over here, but still for our safer condition, we'll check B is greater than A and B is greater than C. We can go with this. And here we'll give printf percentage D B. If this is not the case, else we will give out printf percentage D C. We can give. This is a very simple thing, right? Yes, guys, is it clear? Is first you are checking whether A is greater than B and C. If A is greater, it will print this A. Next, it will check whether B is greater than A and C. Sorry, A and C. Now, if it is greater than A and C, then it will print B. And at last, if neither A is greater nor B is greater, at that time it will go to C and it will print C is greater. Similar to if condition, we have one more condition that is nothing but ternary, right? If A is greater than B, this is a condition, and and B is or A is greater than C. If this is the case, if this condition satisfies, if this is true, then I can go with another condition inside this. If this is true, then I can print, okay, printf percentage D A. This is one thing. Else if this is not true, if this is false will go to this one. Okay, if this is false, I can go with one more condition. I will check if B is greater than A or not. If B B is greater than C or not. Okay, if B is greater than C, then I can have another true and false statement. True statement is this one, that is nothing but printf B. Else statement is printf C. Okay, I'm going to take out three numbers A, B, and C. Now, after this, I will first scan it out. Please make a note of this. So it will be stored in address of A, address of B, and address of C. And after that, I'll be running one if condition. First, I'll check whether A is greater than B or not. Okay, A is greater than B, and A is greater than C. I'll be checking with this. If this is greater, okay, if A is greater than B and A is greater than C, can I say that both the conditions satisfies, and can I say that A is greater? Right? I can say directly that A is greater. Okay, if A is greater, then what I have to do? I have to print percentage D, the value of A. I have to print the value of A. Similarly, I'll move on to the next one. That is nothing but else if I'm going to check out B greater than C, this is enough. Okay, because we have already checked whether A is greater than B or not. Okay, we have already checked that A is greater than B or not. This is enough. But still, for our clear-cut clarification, I will take that B is greater than A also. Okay, now can I say that B is greater than, if B is greater than A and B is greater than C, then can I say that I need to print B because that will be the greatest? Okay, I can say this is greatest now. Else if A is not greatest, if B is not greatest, then I can printf percentage D and I can print C here. Similarly, the same two condition you can apply in ternary operator and you can do it. Ternary operator is also working in the same condition. Okay, ternary operator also works in a similar fashion. It says condition. Okay, if the condition is true, if the condition is true, it will go to true statement, else it will move on to false. This is how it is. If condition is true, it will enter this true condition, else it will move on to false. It's the same as if else condition. I'll take out A greater than B and A greater than C. If this condition satisfies, question mark, if this condition satisfies, then what is the true? I can say printf, yes, good. Printf percentage D, I'll be storing the value of A. Now don't use semicolon after it because I need to go with the next false condition. I have to go with the false condition. If it is not true, that is nothing but going to else if condition. What I'll take here is I'll take out B is greater than C, B is greater than C, and B is greater than A. B is greater than A. If this condition satisfies, then I'll be going out with the printf value of B, else, that is nothing but if it is false, then I'll be going with printf value of C. Yes, this is what it is. You can just take this as X and you can print X. If you want to reduce this code, what you can do is you can eliminate all those things. You just give A. Similarly, reduce all those things. You just give B, and here you can give C. Here you can give C. At last, after this statement, just give out printf X. Okay, you can give out printf percentage D and the value will be X. You can give out in any way. Getting it? Both the things will work fine. Look here. In the previous one, it was having like 7 to 8 lines. Here, sorry, 6 lines. Here it is having just 2 lines. So it's up to you. Whichever you want, you can go with it. Both are same. Okay, both are having the same condition. It is following the same format. I hope it is clear.
Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. And for more updates on similar videos, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.